In this video, I'm going to show you how to add app widgets to iPhone home screen. Now, before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you. Now, you want to long hold until the app starts jiggling and then click on the top left for this plus icon. Then let's say I want to add TikTok. First, I need to find in just a moment. Oh, TikTok. So basically here you have multiple different options and I want to add this one, add widget. Boom. Now this is added. If I want to add more to it, I long hold and click on edit home screen and then click on that. So what you want to do is long hold until the app starts jiggling and click on the plus. Then you want to select smart stack. And let's say I want to choose this size. Then you click on add widget and then you click on it. And from here you have different options. So you have smart rotate and widget suggestion. It basically suggests what you would want. And if I click done, I can just scroll and see all the different things. But let's remove this. If you want to add only one, long hold on the screen, click on the plus icon. And let's say I want to add TikTok. I would click TikTok and select this one, done. And now only TikTok is here and none of the other apps. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know in the comments down below.